We're out here in Breckenridge, Colorado, off of Boreas Pass Road, and today we are cross-country skiing. Now this is the first place that we ever cross-country skied, and I had the worst, skinniest skis ever. It was incredibly embarrassing. This is actually a very low grade, I think old rail bed, so it's pretty great for beginners, but with the skis I had last time, I felt like I could not get any traction. Jonathan left me in the dust. At one point, I was trying to go up and over a small little hill, and there was a fat tire biker behind me laughing. So today with our touring skis, I'm hoping we'll have a much better time. And
yeah, this is, speaking of time, we don't have anybody with Da Vinci veneers smiling at us.
Oh, that was the other thing.
So
makes
me feel better.
When I was struggling to even get up the parking lot, there is some guy with very, very almost unnatural pearly white teeth and alpine touring skis with skins, and he was just like smiling but almost in a sadistic way at me. So right now the parking lot is empty, so if there's
so we better go before they show up. We gotta go.
And if there's any embarrassing moments, then nobody's here to make fun of me this time. Also, we can periodically hear the ski resort people, I guess they use like dynamite on the slopes to break. What?
I thought we were at war.
In the background, you can hear some dynamite, I guess, explosions breaking up the slabs for avalanche mitigation. So pretty startling. Anyway, here we go.
Yeah, it is super icy on this road. Trying to maintain balance without wrecking my face into a piece of granite. So I guess we'll just keep proceeding. It's a beautiful day though.
To always put your sunscreen on. We decided to get off the boot pack section and are using our touring skis to our advantage, creating our own tracks and soft powder, and it should make for a much funner downhill. Off of Boreas Pass Road, and we're on a spur trail so that we can actually go on the actual Banker's Tank Trail and then come back around on Boreas Pass. There's some tricky little sections to get up in skis. Nothing like sketch, but you know, just hard.
Yeah, I was just thinking as we're climbing this steep hill that sometimes just exploring your own backyard is worth it. Typically I get wanderlust this time of year because, you know, it's February, it's cold, you're not doing a whole lot of things that you regularly be doing in the summer. And did you blow snow on me? No, that was the tree. But really, like, I just feel a lot of gratitude today because I'm getting thrown more snow on me. It feels good though, thank you. But I'm just saying, I feel a lot of gratitude because we're out here in our own backyard, a couple hours away. We don't really have to crave, desire a place that's, you know, 7,000-8,000 miles away right now when you can just come here and pretty much experience the same thing you would anywhere. Well, looks like we have gravity on our side thanks to the little chipmunk next to me.
Except we're going the other way.
Except we're going the other way, so not really. For whatever reason, I don't know why, looking at that chipmunk holding the nut, I'm really craving peanut butter right now. I think we need to take a break and eat before we continue this because my stomach is upset. Upset in a good way. I'm starving. Oh no!
We're not going to make it to the Baker's Tank today because we wanted to go off on the Baker's Tank Trail, and it's been fine because it was tracked by another skier and in the woods. But then we opened an untracked section that was very, very deep and started like collecting all on our skis on the bottoms and the top, feeling like every slide or step was lifting 100 pounds of snow. So we're gonna head down. Still very beautiful to be out here, and not all missions are completed, especially when you have two awkward sticks connected to your feet in snowy conditions. But oh well. our knowledge, we're just still noobs and we don't know what the best conditions are for skiing. And of course, with micro spikes and snowshoes, the whole snowball thing on your feet happens. We're still having a blast out here. A lot of fun, except for the unfortunate incident with Jonathan collecting concrete on his skis. But
I think I'm just gonna bring wax next time and just wax the heck out of it, because I don't know, I think I had REI wax them and iron them, or not iron them, but it was like a heated wax treatment. So I think maybe just bringing in like a stick of wax might maybe resolve that. I'm not sure.
It's getting busy here, so we are going to do our thing and head back to actually divide and go to McGinty's for some more pizza, just like you saw in our last cross-country ski video.
Same place.